They've had some good ones.
Way to start our ITPA portion. Terry Turner, Troy, Missouri. Turner loose, he'll be puller number 1, followed by Tim Stuckey of the Mistress.
Oh my gosh.
Joe Pekka, Just for Fun. Jay Butson, American Ethanol. That's our first 4 pullers in our 1,950-pound mini rods. First some unfinished business here. Blake Furry from Charleston, 2017 GMC Sierra. Right there for Blake Furry. Blake lays down a pass at 234 feet, 0.03, 234.03. Dale Decker, you're up next. Dale, also from right here in Charleston, 2003 Chevy Duramax.